This is problem 3 of the College Algebra Final Exam Review. You're asked to find the center and radius of a circle. You know it's a circle because it has an equation of form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. That's the general form of the circle that we found in college algebra. That circle will have radius r, where r squared is given in the formula, and it will have center hk, where h and k are the numbers in these parentheses that aren't variables x and y. So what we have to do is line up the given information in black in the top row with the general form in red in the row right below. So it's easy to see that h is equal to 3. That's the x-coordinate of the center. But what a lot of students have trouble with is recognizing that if there's a minus built into this formula and you don't see this minus up here in the y term, that must mean that the k value, the y-coordinate of our center, is negative 4. Put it this way, if we were using this formula in the other direction and we knew that the y-coordinate of the center was negative 4 and threw it into this general form, we'd get minus a negative 4, which turns into plus 4. What a lot of students simply do is look at the sign of the number and change it. But that only works when you're going this way. That doesn't work going the other way. So it's best if you just learn the formula. Finally, we're told that the radius squared is equal to 49. So if the radius squared equals 49, then using the square root property, the radius has got to be plus or minus square root of 49, which gives us plus or minus 7. But we don't tend to work with negative radiuses or radii. So we discard that negative solution and say that the radius is equal to 7. The way you would write your answer is to identify each of these things. So we want to identify what our center is, and we write it as an ordered pair. 3 in the x direction, negative 4 in the y direction. And we want to know what our radius is, and so we state, and we must state, that the radius is 7.